not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's grand test video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. The annual status of education report will be released every year by which of the following NGO? Teach for India, NGO Pradham, Make a Difference, or Education for All? Very important question previously asked in State Public Service Commission. The answer is B, NGO Pradham. NGO Pradham releases the annual status of education report. It is carrying out yearly survey since 2006. The ASO report 2018 has been released by the NGO Pradham recently. Now this report says that more than half of class 8th standard students cannot solve a numerical division in rural India. The conclusion of this report says the majority of the children need immediate help in acquiring foundational skills in literacy and numeracy. Which of the following bank marked 3rd anniversary on January 16, 2019? Asian Development Bank, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, New Development Bank, or European Bank? The answer is B, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank marked 3rd anniversary on January 16, 2019. Again, very important, the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, it is a multilateral development bank that aims to support the building of infrastructure in the Asian Pacific region. Now from exam point of view, do remember the headquarters of the AIIB? It is in Beijing of China. Who is the youngest Indian Grandmaster? Vishwanath Anand, Pragnananda, D. Gukesh, or P. Karthikeyan? Grandmaster is a title given in the field of chess. The answer is C. D. Gukesh. D. Gukesh is the youngest Indian Grandmaster. Now, he is the country's 59th Grandmaster, breaks Pragnananda's record. He reached the landmark at the age of 12 years, 7 months and 17 days. So, do remember, very important. Who is appointed as a new CEO of the International Cricket Council? Rahul Johri, Manu Sane, David Richardson, or Anurag Thakur? The answer is B. Manu Sane is appointed as a new CEO of the International Cricket Council. ICCI announced appointment of Manu Sane as its new Chief Executive Officer. Manu Sane was former Managing Director of ESPN Star Sports. Who among the following is a candidate being considered by the White House to head the World Bank? Indra Nooyi, Geeta Gopinath, Chanda Kochhar, Shikha Sharma? The answer is A. Indra Nooyi is one among the candidates being considered by the White House to head the World Bank. Indian-born Indra Nooyi was former PepsiCo CEO. Ivanka Trump, daughter of Donald Trump, floats the name of Indra Nooyi to be considered as the World Bank president. Now, we have discussed this point already in detail. The current president of the World Bank, Jim Yong Kim, resigned as the World Bank president and he would step down the next month. The Supreme Court of India consists of how many judges? Previously asked a question, very important. 20, 25, 30 or 31? The answer is D, 31. The Supreme Court of India consists of total 31 judges, 1 Chief Justice along with 30 other remaining judges. The judges of Supreme Court are appointed by the President of India. Now, recently, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari, who is of the Karnataka High Court Chief Justice, and Justice Sanjeev Khanna, who is of Delhi High Court Judge, has been made as the Supreme Court judges. But the Bar Council of India protested the Supreme Court Collegium's recommendation to elevate Justice Sanjeev Khanna of the Delhi High Court to the apex court by superseding the several other judges. Now, as Justice Sanjeev was too junior and ranked 33rd in the seniority list, the BCI protests Justice Khanna's elevation. Second Araku Balloon Festival will be organized in which of the following places? Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Thiruvananthapuram, Chennai. The answer is B, Visakhapatnam. You should have minimum idea of the places located in India. Very important. Araku Valley is in Visakhapatnam. The first edition was organized in November 2017 and the second edition of the Araku Balloon Festival will take place from January 18 to 20th. Pilots from various countries, almost 15 countries, will showcase their flying skills at the 3-day festival. Which company has been selected to process income tax returns in just one day? Wipro, IBM, Infosys, TCS. The answer is C, Infosys. Now, currently the processing time at present for filing income tax returns is 63 days. But now the company Infosys has been selected to process the IT returns in just one day. Infosys to implement the next generation system for processing income tax return filings. It will help in bringing down the ITR processing time to 1 day and hence speed up the returns. Lancet's diet plan for the world targets for an intake of how many kilocalories per day? 2000 kilocalories per day, 2100 kilocalories per day, 2500 or 2700. The answer is C, 2500 kilocalories per day is the intake suggested by the Lancet's diet plan for the world. The new diet could avert around 11 million premature deaths a year. Now, this is the top recommendation of the worldwide diet plan according to a special report released by the journal Lancet. It suggests the increase of intake of more fruits, vegetables and nuts and cut red meat and sugar by 50%. So make sure you consume 2500 kilocalories per day and have lots of fruits, vegetables and nuts so that you have a healthy and longer life. Let's see the question for the day. Who among the following is the world's youngest ever Grandmaster? Now we have discussed India's youngest Grandmaster is D. Gukesh. Now you must know who is the world's youngest ever Grandmaster. Mention your answers in the comment section. The options are Sergei Kajukin, Magnus Carlsen, Fabiano Caruana, Vishwanath Anand. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. India pledged to end single use of plastic by which year? 2020, 2021, 2022 or 2024? The answer is C, 2022. Very important, beat plastic pollution was the theme for 2018 World Environment Day. Now this is an area where questions are asked in many exams, so do remember each and every point that I have mentioned here. India pledged to end single use of plastic by 2022. Many states and union territories are banning plastic to achieve the target by 2022. Recently, Puducherry announced the ban on plastic, which will be implemented from March 1st, 2019. The quote for the day: compliment people, magnify their strengths, not their weaknesses. Positive words are like a life-giving water, so speak positive and encourage others. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.